How to find Instagram profile URL link. This tutorial shows you how to locate and copy your Instagram profile link on your Android device. First, open the Instagram application on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Following that, you'll be taken to your Instagram profile page. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. You'll see the menu options appear. Moving forward, tap on Copy Link or Share Profile. Afterwards, your Instagram profile URL will be copied to your clipboard automatically. You can now paste it anywhere you need, like a message or Notes app. Alternatively, if you want to see the full URL, open any text field like Notes. Long press and tap Paste to see your complete profile link. It will show something like instagram.com followed by your username. You can also share this link directly by tapping Share Profile. Choose where you want to share it, like WhatsApp, Gmail, or any other app. Your Instagram profile URL link has now been found and copied successfully. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you find your Instagram profile URL link, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.